Hello, dear friends. My yesterday's signal is reaching to its target, and yesterday I gave a signal and started from here a sell signal from 2317.3, and the TP was selected 2305, and now it's reaching to the target, and after that I will take a buy from this point 2305, and this is the signal, and you can take an advantage of this signal if you want. The risk is up to you. This is your own money. You can take a risk or not. This is up to you. So I am taking buy from this point 2305, and my target will be this point 2324.5. So this is about this is about 190 pip move, 190 pip move, and the stop loss I should select. Let me to select the stop loss for this buy signal. So this should be the stop loss, a bigger stop loss I think, but a 70 pips, almost I think 70 pips stop loss. 2298.4, 2298.4 is the stop loss, and if I put here a buy long position, so if I'm buying here and my TP is this area. Okay, one thing that I want to clear, that this should be the TP1. This one 2325 is the TP1, and the second TP should be this area, I should say this area. Two, three, 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 and 2334. 2334 is the last TP. The first TP is the 2325, and buy from the point 2305, and stop loss should be this area, 2298.57 or 2298.50. So this is a trade with a risk to reward ratio of 2.8. It means that if you risk $1, not $1, but if you risk $10, then you will make $28. So it's a perfect trade, I think. And if you want to take advantage of this trade, I'm taking this trade for myself. And if you want to take advantage of this trade, It's I do not recommend you, but I think it's a good trade. So this is the trade for the today. This is the signal for today. I will try to give you one signal every day, and I will come live if I made some viewership. Then I will come live and teach you this strategy also. But for now, only I can say that this is the ever best channel for a lot of experience, and it's a very I think I'm trading for last 6 years, and I found the strategy with after a big practice, after a lot of practice. Sorry for my English, guys. In short, uh, for now, I give you this signal: buy from 2305, stop loss 2298.5, 2298.5, and TP1 2325, and TP2 2334. You can take 34, 2333 or 2334. This is the TP2. My sell trade of yesterday hit the TP, and from this area I am going to enter my buy trade. Thank you, guys, and please subscribe to my channel. I will give you one signal every day, a perfect signal with a 70% of win rate. I promise you. Thanks a lot. Goodbye.